Hello, Beanie Baby besties! How are you today? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I have a box to open and I thought maybe you would like to see what I got from Anna. So, this came up in our Beanie Baby chat group that I was actually looking for the birthday hat bears. So, she sent me a couple. They're actually not what I was looking for, but I don't have them. I can't wait to show them to you. A couple other surprises. How cute. Look how bright. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh, this has writing in it. It is happy birthday to Noah, Ryan, love Aunt Brenda, May 17th, 2006. How crazy would that be if one of them were watching this and hopped on and let me know in the comments that this used to be yours? Wouldn't that be fun? Happy birthday. It's kind of a strange hat, isn't it? Its hashtag says happy birthday. Okay, let's look at our next happy birthday bear. Happy birthday. It's interesting too that this one says happy birthday and that's embroidered, and this one is kind of like printed on there. Let's see what your tag says. Oh, how cute. Look at the inside this tag. There's no writing in it. That's nice. But look, there's little birthday hats. It's so cute. This one also says happy birthday on the tush tag. This is 2008. Very nice. Okay, and here's a couple other things I was looking for. Here's our cubby. Cubby's birthday is November 14th, 1993. He's kind of old, huh? This is a 4th generation cubby, and he is the last one we needed for our original 9. Right, let's check out these groundhogs. Okay, now this groundhog, oh my gosh, you're so cute. I mean, is there anything better than groundhogs in top hats? You are Punxsutawney Phil 2006. He's wearing tails. He's got a little bow tie.
I've an important job to do. Each year on February 2, I'll pop out, look around, and say if spring will come or winter stay.
This one, Punxsutawney Phil 2007, was in the sun. Look, it's real faded. It's pink. He's wearing like some kind of a scarf. Punxsutawney Phil 2007. So cute. That's what I got from Anna. Thank you, Anna. And thanks for watching my videos. I'll see you soon. Guess what? I got another box in the mail today. So I'm gonna be opening that one in a little bit too. I saw it on the front step. I was leaving, so I had to tell my husband that it was out there, and he was like, Beanie Babies! It wasn't that dramatic. Okay, talk to you later. Bye!